Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it has been quite a while since I've uploaded anything. Let's just say things have been a little crazy. Just been really busy. My parents have been here for about a month. They just left this morning. And I've been trying to spend as much time as I can with them. Usually if I'm missing from the channel, if I'm gone for a while, haven't been uploading, it's because either I'm spending time with family or my camera or something broke. So it was just the last time I think I vlogged was when we were in Hilton Head, and that work trip ended up being up until Christmas Eve. We actually came home like 9 o'clock at night, Christmas Eve. It was longer than we expected, and my parents ended up coming there and helping us, which was really nice of them. So yeah, things were just crazy. And then Christmas Day, we went to my sister's house and we're there with all of my family, which was so great. And after that, same thing. It's just kind of, everything's been going so fast. Everyone's like, oh, how'd your Christmas go? And I'm like, I feel like I didn't even have time to celebrate it yet. Like, yes, we did spend time with family, but Eddie and I didn't really exchange gifts. We weren't really planning on doing gifts. We were thinking maybe just stocking stuffers, but even that, we never really had a chance to do that. So I think we're going to celebrate on January 7th, which is like Russian Christmas. They celebrate that in Russia. So I think we're just gonna end up doing that. And New Year's was very last minute too. We didn't have anything planned. We were just kind of going to stay home and just be at home. And our friends called us or texted us last minute, and we went to the mountains and stayed in a cabin overnight, and we had an awesome time. We played games, and I don't think Eddie and I have laughed that hard in such a long time, so that was really nice. And yeah, my parents left this morning, so I'm going to try to get back into like a routine. Yeah, we've been traveling a lot lately. It was either going up north to see family or going to Hilton. So hopefully we'll be home for a little while. Who knows how long that'll be. But yeah, I'm trying to think what else. I feel like it's been so long, but we still have my Christmas stuff up. I feel like people are like, oh yeah, I've declared my whole house. I'm ready for Valentine's Day. And I'm like, oh my goodness, like I didn't even get a chance to listen to Christmas music. The other day we were driving and I was flipping through the stations hoping there would still be Christmas music playing, and there was nothing. And I was just like, like usually most years by the time it's Christmas you're like, oh my goodness, I'm so sick of this music already because it plays over and over. But again, this year everything flew by so fast and we were so busy. I feel like I haven't even had a chance to enjoy it. But there's always next year. And same thing, I wanted to go through and kind of declutter my house and clean it before New Year's, but it is what it is. I'm trying not to focus on it and trying not to get upset over it or, you know, kind of stress about it, and just go with the flow. And you know what? There's the whole year ahead of me that I can do that. So yeah, today has been just kind of like a blah day. I'm usually like this if I have family visiting and they leave. I either cry, which I usually do, which today I haven't, surprisingly. And all day I'm just kind of in this blah mood where I'm like, no one talk to me, no one look at me. Like, I don't know, it just happens every time. So I've just kind of been home. It was really nice out earlier. I mean, it was a little bit chilly, but New Year's Day, well, like the night after New Year's, January 1st, was like 73 degrees outside. So we got blessed with really nice weather. And today I think it's like 50s, 60s. So it was really nice earlier. Now it looks like it might rain. So it's kind of like gloomy and cozy. I have all my Christmas lights on, trying to enjoy them as much as I can, which I don't know why, but half of my lights on my tree stopped working, which I think 2 of the strands are new. So I'm like, I don't know why that happened, but I don't know. So yeah, I think maybe the rest of the day I'm gonna try to at least do some laundry. My bed isn't even made, and usually that's like a shocker because that's one of the most important things for me is to make my bed, and it's still not made. That tells you how I've been feeling today. But yeah, I just wanted to update you a little bit if any of you are wondering where I've been. And trying to get back into the swing of things. I still have to go finish Christmas shopping for Eddie. I know what I'm gonna get him, I just have to go do it. And yeah, nothing too exciting. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I don't know, but yeah, it was so nice having my parents here. I really hope they end up moving here one day. It's like when they're visiting, I feel like they belong here. Like it just feels normal, like as if they've always lived here. But you know, they say there's no place like home, and I'm sure they had a good time here, but they were ready to go home too. But yeah, it was so nice to have them here. And yeah, I have a lot of cleaning to do, like deep cleaning, because I would clean here and there, but I still feel like the house is like dusty and messy. And I don't know, I just feel like that. And I'm kind of ready to take down the Christmas decorations because I feel like that'll give me like a nice clean slate and I could like really clean. But I wanted to wait until Eddie and I exchange gifts. So maybe we'll do it this weekend because I think the 7th is Monday and he'll probably be at work. So maybe we'll do it Saturday. This way I could take down the Christmas stuff. We'll see. But yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and make my bed, even though we're going to sleep in a few hours. And maybe throw in another load of laundry. I really need to like clean out my refrigerator too. I'm not sure if I'll do that today. I need to do my nails, so I think that's one thing I really want to do today, because they're just like, I think I'm gonna trim them down a little bit. These are my real nails. I usually get the S&S dip, which I've started to do myself, and that's the only way I was able to grow out my nails. I feel like I've mentioned it before, but I don't know. So I think I'm going to cut them down and maybe change the color. We'll see. So I'm in my room. I normally would never show this because I would be embarrassed, or I am embarrassed. I should never have let it get to this place. But I'm just gonna show you because maybe some of you are in the same boat I am and you feel like you're behind. Everyone's like, their house is all clean. They have their whole year planned out for this year and I'm still trying to celebrate Christmas over here. So I'm just gonna show you. Maybe it'll make you feel better. Again, I'm embarrassed to show you this, but it's real life. So just remember that we got home from the mountains. So let me just show you. It looks like our tornado went through here. Like, I don't remember the last time it's been this bad. So I think once I make the bed, it'll look a little bit better. But yeah, we just got new phones. So we have boxes everywhere. I have car seats in here, like literally seats from my husband's truck. He's bringing it to the shop so they could work on it. So he had to take the seats out. I have a suitcase over here because I was packing last minute to go to the mountains for New Year's. So that's here because I was grabbing stuff out of there. I have a pile of laundry that needs to go in the washing machine. I was unpacking my makeup, drinking coffee. Like, I mean, it's just a mess. Like, I have bottles of water. My bed's not made. I have to unpack the stuff that we took with us to the New Year's party. My husband's pajamas, and I mean, that's real life. I just wanted to show you just so maybe you'd feel better about yourself if you're in the same boat I am. So I really am going to try to tackle this right now, and I know I'll feel so much better. I'm gonna start off by making my bed. Sorry, I know it's kind of dark, but I feel so much better. The room looks so much better. I think when Eddie gets home from work, I'm going to have him bring these seats in our guest room since my parents are gone. And that box right there is his stuff too. He ordered something for his dirt bike. My desk is clean. I do have to dust, so I think I'm going to vacuum and then just kind of wipe off the dust quickly. I have an earring laying here that I have to, one of the pearls fell off, so I'm gonna see if I could super glue it on there because I love the earrings. And yeah, looks so much better. That picture frame is laying down because it's holding down the cord to my diffuser. I'm actually cleaning that right now, so that's in the kitchen. And everything looks so much better. I just have to get rid of the phone and the charger right there. Good job, Mia. I do have some laundry going. I threw in the bed sheets from the bed where my parents are sleeping. And then that pile of the clothes that was on the floor, I'll throw that in next. So it feels good that I'm kind of doing two things at the same time. So I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum the room. And I don't think I'm going to wash the floors because the seats are in here. So maybe when Eddie takes the seats out, I can wash them. But yeah, I'll do that. And then maybe move on to the kitchen or the living room. We'll see. So I just vacuumed the sunroom as well. It's still a little bit of a mess. It was really packed in here. My parents had like their extra things that they had to bring home stacked up in here, so kind of cleared that out. I'm trying to sell this rocking chair, and those foam coolers just have to go in the attic. They didn't fit my parents' car. They were going to take those home. And then I just have like some empty bins and stuff that need to go in the shed. As you can see, I have a whole stack of plants here that most of them were outside, but I had to bring them in because it's so cold. And yes, my porch is a mess too. And there's that corner. I don't want to talk about it, okay? So, yeah, I'm going to finish cleaning up the kitchen. I kind of started loading the dishwasher. Eddie's on his way home from work, so he'll probably come home, we'll eat dinner, and then maybe I'll do my nails or something. So I'm going to finish that, and I think I'm going to empty the refrigerator as well.
I wanna see the light. See the light. I wanna see the light. I wanna see the light. I wanna see the I wanna see the light.
all done cleaning the kitchen. It feels so good. I did get rid of some things in the refrigerator, but I didn't like really clean it out and wipe it down. But I have a diffuser going here. And then that one over there, that one's just cleaning itself. I have like vinegar and water in there, so it doesn't smell so great. That's why I have the other one on. I just have a few dishes drying. I have to hang up a new dish towel, and yeah. And then this is just from the dishwasher. I took it out. Feels so good to have a nice clean kitchen. And the laundry's going. Eddie just got home from work, so I think I'm going to end it here. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, sorry I was gone for so long, but hopefully I could get back into the routine and have more videos up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Would love if you subscribed and followed along, and I will see you all next time.